So I have big news that is coming straight from Facebook. Welcome and welcome back. I'm Sin. So starting August 31st, Facebook is phasing out all of its current monetization systems. That's the in-stream ads, ads on reel, and the performance bonus program. But in their place, a brand new unified content monetization program, or CMP for short. So here's the deal. The CMP combines all of the old programs into one single simplified system. So that means no more juggling multiple programs. Everything is now under one roof. So the deadline to earn from the old system ends August 31st. After that, only the new program matters. The new program is invitation only, which means not everyone automatically qualifies. You have to meet some new requirements to get in. Now here's what Facebook is looking for in creators. Number 1, followers. You need to at least have 5,000 followers. Number 2, watch time. Your videos must have at least 60,000 minutes of watch time in the past 60 days. I know that sounds like a lot. Number 3, policy compliance. Your content must fully comply with Facebook community standards and monetization policies. Now, it's very important to note, only video content counts. That means reels, long-form videos, and live streams will contribute to your watch time. But listen carefully, views on photos, text posts, or non-video content, they don't count any longer. So this change makes videos even more important than before. Now, if you want to get invited into the program, your strategy has to focus on posting engaging video content consistently. Think reels that hook viewers in the first 3 seconds, live streams where people stick around, and long-form videos that deliver real value. The more watch time you rack up, the higher your chances of hitting that 60,000 minute goal in 60 days. So I know the big question is, so what should you actually do right now? Let me break it down. Number 1, track your watch time. Use your Creator Studio dashboard to monitor watch minutes. Also set small daily or weekly goals so you don't get behind. Number 2, grow your followers. If you're under 5,000 followers, ramp up your efforts, collaborate, post consistently, and engage with your audience. Number 3, focus on video content. Remember, photos and text posts won't help with eligibility. Videos are the new ticket in. Number 4, stay compliant. Violations can ruin your chances. Always follow Facebook community and monetization guidelines. Please, please. Number 5, watch for invitation, okay? Only eligible creators will get invites. So keep checking your dashboard so you don't miss if it's your chance to get in. So if you follow these steps, you'll be in a strong position to get invited and continue earning without interruption. Now I want to get into my product of today. Now, I know staying on top of posting schedules and analytics can get overwhelming. That's why I love having a tool like this Tozo Fit Watch, okay? It lets you track your daily activity, set reminders, and stay focused so you never miss a post or a live stream time, okay? I love this little thing. I live by this little thing. It's under $50. It's very stylish. It looks expensive, but it's under $50. So if you need this to help you stay on track with this new program, this new eligibility that Facebook has going on, this little thing here is a lifesaver. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Facebook's old monetization programs are ending August 31st, okay? The new program is invite only and eligibility depends on followers, watch time, and compliance. So focus on video content, reels, live streams, and long form videos. And don't forget to track your watch time, okay? Post consistently. If you post consistently, stay compliant, you will do fine. I know those 60,000 minutes sound far-fetched and that's a lot of minutes, but it's possible. Try to post high quality videos. Remember, text and posts do not count in the new program. So go ahead and start making those videos, those reels, those live streams. You can actually run up 60,000 minutes on live stream quickly. It just depends on what you feel comfortable with and what's your style. But those are the new changes. That's what's going to take effect August 31st. So if you're already in the Facebook program and you're making money, that will end on August 31st. All of the money that you were making from posts and text and things like that and photos, that's gone. Now the new program focuses on videos, live streams, reels. You got this. You got this. Tell yourself right now, you got this. It's going to be okay. You're going to make money. In the beginning, it may be a little rocky. That's with anything new, but at least you'll be able to make the money. Now, most of us racked up over 5,000 followers years ago. Myself, my channel was removed for some crazy reason, so I had to start over. So I'm not at the 5,000. So Sin will not be in the program with y'all just yet. But baby, when I tell you, I'm going to be bringing a lot of videos to Facebook now so I can get into the program. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out. And don't forget, knowledge is power.